we are going to study the another genetic disorder of class 11 course that and 12 course both hemophilia. Hemophilia. And the name of the scientist who discovered this genetic disorder, recessive genetic disorder, is John O.W. And this is a recessive disorder which is present on the X chromosome as X gene. Hemophilia. In case of hemophilia, the gene which controls the synthesis of hemoglobin, right, or blood clotting is defective. So there is a continuous bleeding. So it is also called as bleeder's disease. Blood clotting or blood coagulation is a natural process which requires certain factors, internal, so called as intrinsic factors. Now when the gene which controls this intrinsic factor located on the X chromosome become mutant, this L. So they are missing of the certain factors which control the hemophilia, and these factors are anti-hemophilic globulin. Globulin is a protein. It is anti, just oppose the hemophilia. When this condition occurs, gene become mutant. So this factor is missing. Other factor which is defective due to hemophilia is thromboplastin. Thromboplastin is present in the blood plasma and it is made up of protein plus phospholipid and it is required for the blood clotting. Now defective gene is defective. Other factor which is required for blood coagulation, now it becomes defective due to the mutant gene, is factor number 9, and this is the protein which requires vitamin K for blood clotting and the calcium ion. It is also defective, so it disrupts the process of blood coagulation. Other factor is factor 11. This factor is a protein zymogen, and zymogen is required for blood clotting. These intrinsic factors become deficit when the gene becomes mutant as small xh. Now make the cross. Any question about hemophilia?
No.
No. So I am rubbing these and make the cross. It is carrier female. Why the female is carrier? Because the female has 2 X chromosomes and it is X chromosomal defect. If one gene is recessive, so the other X chromosome has dominant gene which controls its effect, so female is carrier. The lethal condition when both have recessive defective gene. It is a lethal condition, but it is a rare condition. It's crossed with XY, normal male. So making the cross, X, Y, X, X, H carrier and X, H, Y. This boy, it is the sufferer. Why this is sufferer? Because it has only one gene, one X chromosome. No second X chromosome which controls its effect. So he is sufferer. It is a condition of hemophilia. Any question?
No, ma'am.
So today we complete hemophilia. The next genetic disorder which is in class 12 course is the color blindness, which we deal on the next time.